Welcome back everyone to another Battleteams 2 game tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Battleteams 2 on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, in order to customize your controls, click on the gear icon at the top right. Then click on Setting, and now you can click on Controls at the left side to customize various control parameters. This includes your general sensitivity, as well as sensitivity for your ADS and zoomed mode. In order to change your key bindings, click on the key bindings option at the left side. Here you will find various different presets, including presets or control schemes of Battleteams 1, Battleteams 2, as well as PUBG, Call of Duty, Counter-Strike Go, and Crossfire. You can choose whatever you wish. And now, in order to customize your controls, you have the option to assign up to 2 different buttons for the same task. In order to assign a secondary button, you will need to click on the blank space, and once you are prompted, just press the desired key. You can also change the already assigned button by clicking on the button that has been already assigned. Then once again when prompted, press your desired new key. This will remap your button right away. Just follow this step, and then remap all of your buttons based on your desired pattern. And after this, you can click on the apply button, and then go back and your changes will be saved. After this, you can continue to play your game with your customized control settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Battleteams 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.